Welcome, Brainers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert OST files to PST and recover your Outlook emails and other data quick and easy. Imagine you had an OST file with all your important emails, contacts, and attachments, but no matter what you try, it just does not open at all. That's exactly what we're going to fix today. Let's quickly understand why this happens. There are two common Outlook file formats, OST and PST. OST files are tightly linked to the Outlook profile they were originally created in. This means you cannot open or import them on another system or account. Once the email account is deleted or loses connection to the server, the OST file becomes orphaned, and all the data inside becomes unusable. On the other hand, PST files are completely portable and not tied to any specific email account, so you can easily open them in any Outlook account on any PC. So, all we need is a reliable tool that can convert OST files into PST format. That's where Stellar Converter for OST comes in. It lets you convert inaccessible, orphaned, encrypted, or even IMAP OST files into PST format with high accuracy. So it recovers everything: emails, attachments, contacts, and calendars, all in one go. All right, let's see this in action. First, please download and install Stellar Converter for OST from the official website. I've included the link in the description. Make sure you use that to avoid any unofficial or unsafe downloads. The installation process is pretty straightforward. You just need to follow the on-screen instructions. After installation, just launch the software. When it opens, you'll see two options on your screen. List Profiles detects all available Outlook profiles configured on this system, allowing you to select and convert the associated OST file into a PST format. Or, if you already know the exact location of your OST file, you can select Choose manually. What's even more useful is that if these two options don't work, you can use the Find option to scan your system drives for all available OST files. Once you locate your OST file, just select it and click Convert. Now Stellar Converter for OST kicks off the conversion process. This may take a few minutes depending on the size of your OST file, so please be patient while it works its magic. Once the conversion is complete, you'll see a complete preview of your data. This is one of the best features. You can actually go through all emails, contacts, calendars, and attachments before saving them as PST. You can also save individual emails in your preferred format, including PDF. But in this video, we're going to save all the data into PST format. Once you're ready, click on Save Converted File. Please make sure PST is selected on this screen and click Next. Select the destination path where you want to save your output file. You have many customization options here. You can recover deleted items, optionally split the output file if it's large, and even apply advanced filter conditions. I'm going to disable auto split and leave the other options as default. Just click OK. We have successfully converted the OST file into PST format. Here's the original OST data, inaccessible before, and this is your fully restored and accessible PST file. Now let's verify if we can open it using Microsoft Outlook. Make sure you already have an Outlook account configured. Even if you don't have one, you can create it. It's completely free. Please go to File, then open the account settings. Get into Data Files section. Click on Add, then Browse and select the converted PST file. Once added, the PST file will appear in Outlook as a separate folder in the left panel. And that's it. We can now access everything that was previously inaccessible. Clean, complete, and exactly what we needed. If you regularly deal with Outlook data recovery, migrations, or IT admin tasks, this tool can save you a lot of time and frustration. I hope you found this helpful. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech tutorials and solutions. Thanks for watching.